Nope, not big enough, no?
It's big enough. It's on, it's on the main shell. Yeah, you're gonna be not making much money at this game. You throw them back. How you doing?
Chris.
Jimmy, right?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. This is my stern man, Chris, as well.
Chris, how are you?
You take your seasick tablets and everything?
I took about 10 of them.
Got you some Grundens so that you can stay dry as well and take those white pants back to Chicago.
We're in Kennebunkport, Maine. We're about to go out and haul some traps and pull up some beautiful Maine lobster. This is something that's like been on my bucket list, to actually go out and catch some lobster right out of the ocean. I feel like a real lobsterman, except not at all.
The name comes from my grandfather and the fact that he would tell me, your foolish pride's gonna get the best of you one of these days. So I thought it would be pretty fitting to have my boat named the Foolish Pride, kind of in honor of him. When we get the first one up, I'll have Chris show you how to put the bait bag in, then you're on your own.
So what warrants them as lobsters deemed for the box?
We have an undersize and an oversize.
Okay.
So it's to protect the stock of lobsters. So we throw back way more lobsters than we'll ever keep. So we're gonna measure this one here, this one, that's a keeper. That's gonna be somebody's dinner tonight. Oh, you need a bait bag.
Yeah, I gotta
We're
get a
getting
bait
ahead
bag.
of ourselves. We get excited around here.
Is there any technique to the gaffing, or is it just...
Make sure you turn the hook the right way. All right, so this one's got quite a few. So I call these a hornet's nest. You reach in there and every one of them wants to get a hold of you, so good luck. We'll give you a chance to tangle with these guys a little bit and put some bands on them if you want. All right.
That's about halfway up, so you can't open it.
You feel like you're getting the hang of it?
No.
I was told you got to be smarter than the bait bag.
You guys are like farmers, construction workers, and engineers all rolled into one. You know, literally, the amount of work that you guys do and what you have to know to be out here is...
There's a lot more to it than just going out there and setting a trap.
Right.
So we got a couple of nice new shells here to look at.
Awesome.
Beauties. What are we gonna do with them?
Well, I mean, I was thinking just super simple. We're just gonna go like a little light, quick fry on them, like a tempura style fry.
Okay.
Just a light, crispy batter, just to really kind of showcase the taste of the lobster, so there's not too much that gets in the way. We're gonna get them going, and I'd love for you to give me a hand breaking them down.
Yeah, that's great. Maybe I can show you a trick or two.
We got them out. We've got a couple of them on ice. The rest of them are chilled. I've never worked with a new shell before. I've only broken hard shells. So for me, I'd love to hear it from you on how you love breaking them down.
Okay, so one of the things I really like to tell people about the new shell is we can do this all with our hands. It's a lot faster and you don't need any tools. So you gotta sample it or else you don't know if it's any good.
Amazing.
Makes it well worth the trip.
Yeah, and not even just lobster, just the new shell factor. I mean, this is like...
Well, it's something you never got to see before. It's all new to you.
Tastes like candy.
So I hope this is something that you're going to take back with you and try to pass on to some of the other chefs and
100%.
And maybe get some more of my lobsters out there and eating them and stuff.
And here we are.
Oh, it looks so good.
I also made us a nice little salad too. I seasoned it with a little bit of esplet chilies that we get from Spain, some dried Persian limes, and then a little bit of lime zest as well. Before we get started, I'd love to make a toast to all of you guys. First to Diane for the chive blossoms and having us at this beautiful house here. And also to you too, Chris. I mean, for taking me out and showing me this and getting to be a part of this piece of Maine is unreal.
This day has been quite an experience. I mean, you couldn't ask for a better morning to get out there and learn a little bit about lobstering and to go out there and do it hands-on. And then finish with this beautiful meal you prepared for our Maine new shell lobster, and we get to share it with some great company.
Awesome. Well, cheers to you guys again.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I appreciate
Thank you
it.
very much.
Thank you.